Next, we'll meet Valeria. She's a senior marketing and international business major and the first person in her family to go to college. As a national leader in student achievement, FAU is home to award-winning programs that ensure every student has the opportunity to succeed. She's waiting at the Student Support Services building to share her story. Valeria, you are up.
Thanks, Alex. Hi, everyone. When I was looking at colleges, I made it my goal to find a school that supports and equips first-generation students like me with the proper resources to succeed. I discovered FAU, where student retention and graduation rates aren't impacted by things like income, first-generation status, or race. Once I started at FAU, the Office of First-Generation Student Success immediately connected me with a mentoring program that helped me navigate college life with someone who's been in my shoes. They helped me get a job on campus, directed me to the Career Center for internship opportunities, and referred me to Al Central to find different organizations that would allow me to grow within my field. South Florida is an economic center for the state and offers opportunities for jobs with major companies, so you don't have to wait until summer break to get an internship. The Career Center taught me the importance of growing your personal brand and making yourself marketable to different companies. I was able to get an internship my freshman year with a digital marketing agency and was promoted to digital media coordinator within 6 months. This experience led to my current role of working in digital marketing for a software development company, all while attending FAU. The support I've received as a first-generation student has inspired me to help other students, and I became the president of First and Proud, FAU's first-gen student organization. I also served as the Director of Professional Development for American Marketing Association and the VP of Professional Activities for Delta Sigma Pi. Through these roles, I've been able to help students reach their full potential with the help of professional development and the right FAU resources. I am first and proud. That's my story. Now back to you, Alex.
Wow, Valeria, I'm so impressed by the success you've already had in your career and your dedication to helping other first-generation students thrive. It's fitting that a school founded on the principle that higher education should be available to everyone specializes in lifting up traditionally underserved students. What a special place. Thank you so much for that.